Hey angels and good morning. So this is the start of the weekly vlog. It's gonna be a little bit of a haul / weekly vlog this week because I'm putting them together. So I'm gonna show you some of the things that I bought with the Easter money Leon gave me instead of me getting Easter eggs. So
Easter and anniversary money.
Easter and anniversary money is what Leon just said. So I get it right. This sadly got pulled off during travel, but newborn size hats. And they were £3. They were £3. So just beautiful little hats for the preemies, because what I found out about the preemies is that what's it called? They can fit into small newborn and larger preemie, so they're in an awkward size. But yeah, so I've just got a plain pink one and then white with pink dots. So it's really cute. And this was actually in the boy aisle, but I class this as more gender neutral, and I really don't like it, so yeah, I've got it for the girls. So this is a 2-piece set. It's in size newborn. It is a Winnie the Pooh, and this was £10. And I can't wait to put it on one of the preemies. I don't know which preemie I'm going to put on yet. This one I got for the laughs, I guess you would say. So this is in Tiny Baby. I'm not sure what's going on here. There. Oh, it's supposed to be that way. It is Friends themed. If you didn't know, Leon's a big fan of Friends, so when I saw this I got really excited. So they've got a pair of pants. It's really annoying me that they're very weirdly on right now. Don't know why. Okay, whatever. I'm going to take them off the hangers anyway when I take them upstairs, because that's what I do before I wash them. So basically there's a friend. This comes with a friend's like leggings, and then it comes with a top, and it says life is better with friends, and it says mini me. There's a mini me sticker there. So yeah, it's Friends. And then I saw this romper in the girls section. This is a Minnie Mouse one. It is in size a newborn, and this is £5. So I really like that. I've been wanting to get for at least each of my reborns to have a romper. That's my dream. Now, because they're twins, I had to get the matching outfits. So I got these two in Tiny Baby. And they say Mummy's favourite person. It kind of reminds me of Instagram, that sort of thing. And they're just these really cute sleepers, and they were £5 each. And then we have this gorgeous outfit. I actually found out from my mum I was actually obsessed with the Hungry Caterpillar as a child. So this is super cute, and it's a size newborn, and it's from World of Eric Carly. And this was £10. It's got a little headband. It's super cute. I love it. And then last item is from the same section I got this. So again, it's World of Eric Carly. This was, I can't tip the tag, this is in the way. This was £8 and it is a onesie with the hungry caterpillar on it. The very hungry caterpillar, sorry. And then it comes with leggings, and I thought this was super cute for the twins. So, yeah. So yeah, that's basically everything I got today. So, yeah. So I should talk to you angels more later. Bye for now. Angels, and good morning. So it is Tuesday morning. Don't mind me, I'm just trying to carefully put my head out. I'll properly fluff it up in a minute. I'll get kind of settled as well. Oh, you're all styling yourself this way today. Okay, whatever. So, I'll do it properly in a minute. So, yesterday, well, I forgot to actually mention it in last week's vlog, or the weekly vlog before that, so the week before that. Either last week or the week before that is when our cooker broke and we had to replace the fan. Now, the cooker has broken. This was the second time it broke. It was a Logic one, LOI kicking can. And when you look on the website we got it from, the cooker's no longer available, which means that they took it off because there's too many problems with it. So, yeah. Hang on, don't put my lens. There you go. Well, yesterday, our washing machine's broken. We're not sure. Leon's dad's gonna have a look at it when he gets the chance. He's gonna have to pull it out and have a look behind, because either the fans come off, the conveyor belts either come off, or it's broken because the wash machine's not spinning anymore. Which we got the wash machine and the cooker. We moved here December 2018, but we didn't get them in the house until January 2019. So, because they took a couple of days to arrive, because we were trying to get hold of them, but the earliest they could come was January. And yeah, this is the first time the wash machine's properly broken, but it sort of yanked itself out yesterday because of something I did accidentally. So yeah, so we have no wash machine, so I apologize if you see me or Leon wearing the same clothes this week. It's not like we could do much washing anyway, because we don't have a dryer in this house. We do a lot of, well, I was about to say we do a lot of air drying. We only do air dry. All of our clothes are normally air dried, so it's a big problem. Because I have no clothes that were washed apart from the reborn's clothes, is what I was trying to wash yesterday. Don't put them in a bag. Lesson learned. So, yeah. it's my fault it broke. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you angels are having a good day, and I shall talk to you angels more later. But yeah, that's what happened yesterday evening. It just had enough and broke, basically. So today I'm going to try and hand wash the rest of the Reborn's clothes that I was going to wash yesterday, and hopefully try and drain them enough to go on the air upstairs. We'll see how it goes. And luckily for me, when it comes to my pads, which need clean, my cloth pads which need cleaning, they can also be hand washed, so it's not too bad. I know some people will be like, but you can't. My pads don't need washing yet. They're close, but not close enough. But yeah, that's what we're dealing with. And I thought I would tell you because it's real life problems. And that is, machines like that do break. It's very frustrating. So yeah. Anyway, I'll talk to you angels more later. Bye for now. Angels, I forgot to come on here and say good morning, so I'm gonna do that. Today is, I don't actually remember what day it is. Hang on, Lee, what day is it? Lee, what day is it? What day is it today? I forgot. I'm vlogging. I just totally forgot.
It's Thursday.
Thursday. Okay. So it's Thursday morning. What the heck? Okay. And yeah, we're just waking up and sorting some stuff out. An update on the washing machine. The belt did break, so we have had to order a new one, and that is coming next Monday, so you're just gonna have to wait. Mess around. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you angels are having a really great day. Today we are just having we clean up a little bit of relaxing, and that's basically it. I played Sims for a little bit yesterday. Generation 10 is a 18 right now, and yeah, I'm just watching videos on my phone, and I shall talk to you angels more later. Bye for now. Angels, so it is Friday. Sorry about that. It is Friday morning. Last night we had a power outage at 10 p.m, which was great. We had no power for, I believe I woke up for I noticed the power was back on, so it's quite a while. So yeah. But there you go. So I hope you're all having an okay day. I have to go and see on the do list or tick off the stuff from yesterday that I didn't get to tick off, because normally I do that, but it's too dark to do that. So yeah. Anyway, I'll talk to you angels more later. Bye for now. Hey angels, so I'm really coming on here to say I'm gonna edit the vlog now, because we've had another blackout today and I just don't want to risk it while I'm trying to edit this weekly vlog. So we had a blackout yesterday. Well, basically our power went out yesterday and it went out again earlier today. So just to be on the safe side, I am going to edit and upload this on Friday. So this is Friday evening. So yeah, anyway, I shall talk to you angels more later. Bye for now. Bye.